Advanced stock market strategies the rich use to build wealth. Billionaires in the making, you've been lied to. They told you that stock market success is all about picking the right stocks, following trends, and riding the hype. It's wrong. The wealthy don't gamble in the stock market. They use advanced strategies, powerful risk-managed techniques that allow them to grow their wealth with precision and control. On a very serious note, don't miss strategy discussed in this video. Today's video will be mind-blowing and a game-changer. Pardon my manners, I am Martins. If making good money and attaining financial freedom sounds good to you, then stick around to the end of the video. Today, I'm revealing the real stock market secrets that the rich use to make millions while avoiding major losses. These aren't your basic buy low, sell high tactics. We're diving into smart leverage tactics without the usual risks associated with stock investing, hedging like a pro to protect wealth in any market, how the rich collect cash flow from stocks, even when prices drop, and a simple method to 10 times gains without picking winning stocks. Stick around until the end, because strategy number 1 is a game changer that most people have never even heard of. Alright, let's get into it. Strategy number 6. The rich don't buy stocks, they buy companies. Most investors think buying a stock is just a bet on whether the price will go up or down. That's not how the rich invest. Wealthy investors don't just buy stocks, they buy businesses. They approach the market like private equity investors, not traders. How do they do this? They focus on cash flow, not hype. Is the company actually making money? They look at business fundamentals. Would they buy the entire company if they could? They invest with long-term conviction. And when they do, they remove panic selling from their dictionary. What billionaires do is that, before buying any stock, ask yourself, would I be happy owning 100% of this business for 10 years? Would I feel safe holding this even in a recession? If the answer is no, the rich don't buy. Simple. They don't gamble with their money. Like and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. Strategy number 5. The Dividend Snowball. How the rich get paid to hold stocks. What if you could get paid to hold stocks, whether the price goes up or down? That is exactly what the billionaires do. Rich investors love dividends because they generate passive income or cash flow every quarter, they reinforce financial stability in market downturns, and they compound over time, creating exponential wealth. Now let's discuss how the rich maximize dividend income. They invest in companies that raise dividends yearly, known as dividend aristocrats. The rich reinvest dividends to buy more shares, creating a snowball effect. And the billionaires use covered calls to boost income on top of dividends. Stick around as I explain it in detail soon. For example, if you own 1,000 shares of a company that pays a $2 annual dividend per share, that's $2,000 in passive income per year, without selling anything. If you want to join the ranks of the billionaires, look for companies with 25+ years of dividend increases. That's a sign of stability and long-term profitability. But then, don't forget to thank me later. Strategy number 4, option selling, the hidden income stream the rich use. Most people think options trading is risky, but what if I told you that the wealthy use options to make safe, consistent income? The truth is that selling options is the closest thing to free money in the stock market. This is how it works. Selling covered calls, get paid up front to agree to sell a stock at a higher price. Selling cash secured puts, get paid up front to agree to buy a stock at a discount. For example, let's say you own 100 shares of Apple. You sell a covered call and receive $500 in cash up front just for agreeing to sell it at a higher price later. If it doesn't reach that price, you keep the stock and the cash. Wealthy investors use options income to buy more shares, creating a compounding money machine. So, if you want to be rich, do the same. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. Strategy number 3, portfolio hedging, how the rich stay safe while others panic. When the market crashes, the average investor panics. The rich, they're protected. How the rich hedge against market crashes. Put options. These increase in value when the market drops, acting like insurance for your portfolio. Inverse ETFs, these move opposite to the market like SPXS or SQQQ, gold and Bitcoin. Wealthy investors use these as hedges against inflation and uncertainty. What the billionaires do is always have a downside protection strategy in place. The rich never get wiped out by crashes. Strategy number 2, the buy and borrow strategy, how the rich use stocks like real estate. Most people buy stocks and sell them for a profit. The rich, they never sell, they borrow against them. Here's how it works. Instead of selling stocks for cash, which triggers taxes, the rich borrow against their stocks at super low interest rates. This lets them use the cash to invest in other assets, real estate, businesses, or more stocks, without touching their portfolio. The stocks continue growing in value, compounding wealth over time. As an aspiring billionaire, if you have $1 million in stocks, you can borrow $500,000 at 2 to 3% interest and invest that money without ever selling. That's what the ultra-rich do. Strategy number 1, the tax-free compound growth hack. What 90% of investors don't do. This is the ultimate wealth-building secret of the rich. Most people invest in taxable accounts, which means every time they sell, they pay capital gains tax. The wealthy, they use tax-free accounts to grow their money faster. 2 tax-free strategies the rich use: Roth IRA or Roth 401k, invest tax-free, withdraw tax-free. Life insurance borrowing, the LIRP strategy, use permanent life insurance as a tax-free investing vehicle. Do you know what billionaires do to get rich faster? The rich structure their wealth to minimize taxes at every step, which means they build wealth faster than the average investor. Billionaires in the making. Now that you know these 6 advanced stock market strategies, here's my question. Which one will you start using today? Drop a comment below, like and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video from Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. Remember, the rich don't invest like the average person. They use systems that make money work for them. Start applying these strategies and watch your wealth grow.